what's up you guys? It's Jbunny and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another DIY tutorial and this time it's for Easter. I have my two cute little Easter bunnies here and I have some supplies that I picked up at the Dollar Tree a few weeks ago. So I'm lucky that I got it in before we were all stuck in our houses. And yeah, you guys, I just wanted to bring you a little cute craft that you can do at home while you're wasting time being stuck at home. So yeah, I'm excited. Easter is definitely one of my favorite holidays because I love Easter bunnies. Today I'm sipping on some Bang energy drink. These are really good. If you haven't tried one, you should definitely try one. They're really delicious. They're like dessert, but I don't know, apparently no calories. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I found these cute little baskets that I had at my house, and I'm going to start with those as my base, and then I'm going to take this cute white iridescent ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to wrap the base in this to make it more of an Easter feel. I'm just going to put a little dab of glue right on the inside of the basket to hold the ribbon down to the inside while I work. And then I'm going to twirl it around. And I'm going to focus mainly here around the sides because the inside is going to be filled with some Easter basket stuffing. This is turning out cute, you guys. So when you get to the end of the ribbon like this, I'm just going to tuck it into another one. And you can use your glue stick to make sure it's secure if you want to do that as well. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take this Easter basket stuffing that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's just that shredded paper and I got the natural color, and I'm going to fill the center of my basket up with the stuffing. So yeah, you guys, just put the stuffing in right in the center. It should fit in just like a little bird's nest. Cute. Okay, so the next step, we're gonna go ahead and pick one of these cute little Easter bunnies and put him right here in the middle of our basket. I'm actually gonna sit him towards the back with his legs coming off the front. Cute, so cute. Okay guys, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of these cute little Easter eggs around him to make it look like he's sitting in the middle of an Easter basket. These are actually little ornaments that have strings on them, but I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the strings off and use them as little eggs. Part, you're gonna take your glue gun and put a little bit of glue on the bottom of the egg, and then press it into the Easter egg basket stuffing. You're just going to put the glue on the bottom of the egg and then place it wherever you like it best. Oh my god, it's looking so cute. Look at it. Oh my god. So because my bunny's sitting a little bit back, I'm going to put a little bit extra stuffing right underneath the stuffed animal, and that should help it sit more propped up and look cute wherever you display it. And here it is, you guys. This is my first Easter basket. It's all done. It was super simple to do. All we did was took a basket that we had in the house, wrapped it with some cute ribbon from Dollar Tree, put some cute Easter egg basket filling, and then put the glittery eggs and of course our Easter bunny that we had, and voila, he's ready for Easter. And this is gonna look so cute wherever you put it. You can put it, of course, in your dining room or in your living room or even in your entryway. It will look definitely really cute. And I only spent $1 to $3 on it total from Dollar Tree, plus 2 things that I had around the house. Yeah, you guys, happy Easter. This turned out super cute, and let's do the second one. Okay, you guys, so I had fun doing that first Easter basket with you guys. You can see that over here, and we're gonna go ahead and do a second one. I'm gonna try and give it a little bit of a different look because I do have some other cute materials that I bought at Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. So again, we're gonna use one of our baskets. You're gonna place that on the table. I'm gonna once again go ahead and use the same white iridescent ribbon for a base layer, but don't worry, we're gonna go ahead and use a second different ribbon this time to add some even more decoration to the basket to make it different from the first one. So I'm just using the white ribbon to do a little bit of a base coat around the basket because I don't want the blue color to show too much, and then this way it also matches the other basket as a little bit of a set. Go ahead and clip that. You're going to use about half the roll. Now I have this cute Happy Easter ribbon right here. It's kind of a little bit of a burlap material, and I'm going to use that next. So I'm going to tuck the ribbon in the same place that I tucked the other ribbon in, just so I keep that consistent. So I'm going to do it in the same way. I'm going to start in the back, and then go underneath, and then over the top. Go underneath again. Go over the top for a third side. Go under again. And then go over the fourth side. So it should start looking something like this. I'm going to clip that. And I'm going to go ahead and tuck that in, but I'm also going to secure it with a little bit of glue from my glue gun. And just press down. Now for my next layer, I'm going to use this cute purple iridescent ribbon. And with this purple iridescent ribbon, oh my god, it's so pretty, by the way. I'm going to do it off kilter from how I did the first ribbon. So see how I'm cross cutting it there. So I'm going to start in the back and glue the ribbon to the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the ribbon and cross it up over the side there, then go under. Then I'm going to go ahead and cross it over the top again, then go under, bring it up, cross it over the top again, and then bring it over one last time. Clip it and secure it to the bottom of the basket. So yeah, you guys, here it is after the second layer. I just put the purple iridescent ribbon on. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some Easter egg basket filling and put it in the middle. I'm going to make a little pocket for the bunny rabbit to sit in. Okay, you guys, so I've decided to sit the rabbit just like this with the legs crossed and the arms crossed. And now I'm going to put some eggs in. I'm putting the eggs kind of all around the rabbit on this one, even over here on the left. Here it is after I glued the eggs on. It's looking so cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and make a ribbon. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the bow. Once you have the bow made like this, you can take a second piece and wrap it around the middle to make it look like a nicer bow. So I'll show you guys when it's finished. Okay, you guys, so I just made this really cute ribbon, and I'm going to go ahead and use that ribbon to decorate the back of her dress. since it's kind of just showing, and I think it will look cute from the back when someone is seeing the Easter basket from that direction. Put a lot of glue on because you don't want the ribbon to fall off, and press it firmly towards the base of the basket. And it should look something like this from the side. Okay, so here you have it, my 2 cute Easter baskets. This craft took me about 10 to 15 minutes. It was super fast and fun, and they turned out really cute. I got to reutilize these 2 cute bunny rabbits that I had in my house and reinvent them to look super Eastery and fresh for this Easter 2020. This one features a cute glittery ribbon in the rear along with cute glittery eggs all around the base, and this one has a more classic look, a little bit simpler but still super cute with just white iridescent ribbon around the bottom, and also decorated of course with these cute little glittery eggs. For this one here on the left, I spent $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6 at Dollar Tree, and I also used some of the supplies over here on this one, in which I spent $1, $2, $3. So in total, I spent $9 at Dollar Tree for this super cute set. I love these 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and display them, I think, on my dining room table. So thanks for joining me. Sound off in the comments below what Easter projects you're doing at your house, and how are you decorating your house for this Easter season here in 2020. Of course, please go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you're liking content like this. And I hope to see you again on one of my future uploads. Stay well, guys, and we'll talk soon. Bye! Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you where I ended up setting them up in my dining room. Oh my god, they look so adorable. I put this one underneath a little table, and I put this one on top of a little footstool that I have. This is my dining room, and it just gives me that touch of Easter without being too much Easter. But oh my god, it is so cute, you guys. Aww. Thanks for stopping by, guys.